Here is it. That's it. Can you see it? I just decided to mix it with a little bit of the Poro Baba juice, but you can decide to put a lot if you want, according to what you want. This is what I want.
Mommy, you give me.
It actually tastes so good. Very, very, very nice.
Mommy, give me.
I'm coming. It actually tastes very good.
Give me. Give me. Give me now. Give me now. Give me too.
You can decide to drink it this way, and you can decide to drink it alone. The only the juice. You can decide to drink only the juice alone. It works, guys. It works. I am a living testimony. I drink everything. Fast. I want to use the cup. And this is the ordinary. I'm going to drink this as well. Still very hot. How are you, dear?
I said I'm now drink.
Don't mind her. If you don't want to drink, just bring it for me. Let me drink it. It's actually hot. You can as well add other things to it. My mom says epo something and epo something. You can add it to it if you want. But this is what I want. I want only this one. Yeah. That epo something. Taste is always somehow. Always somehow to make my tongue to be somehow. So I prefer this. Here is it.